Okay, today I'm cutting open this lock. Sorry about the having to narrate over it. The audio was really bad. So today I'm going to take an angle grinder, a hammer, and a pair of bolt cutters and try to cut open this lock. Alright, so in this first test we're just trying to beat the lock open with a hammer. Then we're going to try it with the bolt cutters. So. Okay, you can see the face on the lock still spins. So after I hit it 2 or 3 good whacks on the face and the dent on the board, you can see I was hitting it pretty hard. So I'm going to hit it a little bit more. Okay, after a few more good whacks on the face, the dial would only turn about halfway before it stopped, and so now I'm going to hit it a few good whacks on the back side. Okay, now I'm just going to try to take a pair of pliers and twist the face of the lock, but that's not working either, so it's just ripping the plastic coating off. Alright, bolt cutter time. I'm just going to put them in here and try and cut it with the bolt cutters. This took a lot of force. I had to put all my weight on it to get it to cut. Alright, we're through, and yeah, that was kind of hard. Alright, I already got through with the bolt cutters, but I'm just going to do it with the angle grinder just to see how hard it is. And so I'm just going to take the angle grinder, put in my earplugs, and get started. Okay, you can see that I'm having a harder time getting it